All right, guys, to watch this video for Monday, February 10th. I'm going to start with the SPY here. But first, let me put up this announcement. New members in chat, please pause the video and read that. It's a good explanation of what we're all about. So on Friday, the SPY gapped up slightly, but put in kind of a nasty looking daily candle. And see, the NASDAQ was down, I think, 270-ish. The Dow was down 444. Having said that, we had a really nice day in chat. So I'm going to go into a couple hat tips, and then we'll go into the watch list for what we're going to watch to possibly trade on Monday. TNXP, kind of an ugly daily. But Nicholas in chat gave the idea to grab this at 1372, which probably was a break of the 2-minute high. These are 5-minute candles, but 1372. It went to 1840. Amazing call. It was on our morning gap playlist, by the way. Great post by Nicholas. I'm going to hat tip myself on LTBR. I was on the mic and gave LTBR over the high of this candle, which was 969, which triggered right where my arrow is there. And you can see it went to 1268. Very, very nice move. I basically called it as a sympathy to OKLO, which was ripping, and we like the daily chart on this one too. And then CDT, real quick, was really strong. I gave the whole number flush idea right here. As it was coming down near VWAP, I gave the whole number flush idea. It went down to 297. So anyone parked at 298 or 299 or 3 had a pretty nice trade where it went back up to 356. I actually bid right at VWAP, I believe, and did not get filled. But still, anyone that traded that better than me had a pretty nice trade there. So there's just a few examples from Friday. There were others, but I'm going to jump into what we're going to watch for Monday. AFRM, nice breakout. We're going to watch that one for a possible follow-through day. Same with Expedia, EXPE. MGNI has already been up 5 days in a row. It's really important to pay attention to, but I guess there was a circulation of them signing with X for a deal, I guess, and it really got going on that. If you were in chat, I mentioned that probably right about here when I'd seen the news. So 1970, and it pretty quickly, some people might have got in knowing, as a Tokyo before it broke the other high of day, had a really nice move. But on the daily, just remember that it is extended. I'd like to see that pull in for a couple days, but it still doesn't go on watch because we're day traders, and we'll see if we get a setup. BBAI also really extended, but had a really nice move, so we want to keep our eyes on that one. CDT, I don't love this. Weird daily, but massive volume on Friday, so we're going to watch that. Serve Robotics, SERV, nice little volume spike there. And you can kind of picture a potential catalyst right there on the daily chart. Plus, Friday's high could be a potential catalyst too, especially if we open below it. So we got, we know what to look for as far as setups. We'll see if we get one in Serve. Uber, also 2 days in a row up already, but I do want to watch it. I think Ackman taking a stake in that. The interesting thing, the reason I like Uber a little more is because on earnings day, it gapped down and sold off, right? Probably sucked in a lot of shorts thinking it's going to head to new recent lows, and next thing you know, shorts are in trouble. So that's the reason I like that one. NBIS, all the AI plays have been pretty strong, and this one's kind of breaking this little island down here after the gap down. So could continue. VSAT, I like this chart a lot. Had this pop back here, pulled back, and then nice volume on Friday. Certainly worth keeping an eye on. LTB, I already mentioned the call in this one on Friday, and deserves to be on our watch list going forward. That thing's been good. BFRG, I think it's probably a sympathy to the BBAI move, kind of a lower priced AI play, but I like the volume in it on Friday. We're going to watch that one. Couple more. MNMD, thought to be a JFK getting approved, right? And you had the big 3-day move, and now a couple days lower on declining volume. So it could be a good bounce play. And then BKSY, I'm treating as a bounce play also. Had a nice pop back here. Did not roll over. It went a couple red days and then went on to new highs. And then this 3-day pullback isn't even really a big pullback. So I like this as a bounce play setup. Could rip one of these days. That's it for me. I'll see everybody in chat on Monday morning.